Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen flickering issue on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness. After click on display and brightness, click on, you will see if you want to fix this problem, so turn off auto brightness button. After turn off auto brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen flickering issue on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.